Good morning, children. Today we are going to see about the circle. Already we have seen the square, rhombus, parallelogram, everything. Now we are going to see about the circle. No, this is the circle. A circle is a closed curved figure. It has no sides, no corners, no edges, only the one face. So it has only one face. So this circle, so in this we can draw a circle using the compass. I will show this how to draw this in a compass in the next class. Now just we will see about the circle. So a circle is a closed curved figure. Okay. In this closed curved figure, it has got a center, radius and diameter. Okay. Center. This is the center point. This is the center. And this full line, this is called the diameter. Okay. This is the diameter. And this half of the line, this is called the radius. The circle order nadu இது வந்து full line இருக்கு இல்லையா அந்த full line from this இந்த endல இருந்து இந்த end வரைக்கும் this is the diameter and in the center point இருந்து half of this will come as a radius and you can draw any இங்க இந்த diameter வரலாம் anywhere you can draw the diameter. Suppose the circle, if you draw the small circle also, center point will be here and this is the radius. அதாவது diameterல பாதி. So if this is the center point and the full line, this is called, the center you mark it as O. So this O and this corner is A and this point is B. So this is called diameter. So full length irundaka diameter. Half of this is the radius. Now circle is perfectly round in shape. It has no sides and no diagonals. Circle ku vandu diagonals kadiyadu, sides kadiyadu. O is the center point of the circle. So distance from the center to the each of these points, here one point, center to each of these point is, suppose this is A and this is B and here C and here it is D. So OA, OB, OC and OD. These are the radius. Okay. A, B, C, D. And you can also make a line, this is E. So O is the center of the circle. The distance from the center of the circle and each of these points is called as the radius of the circle. Can you understand, children? So radius is equal in length. இப்போ the whole இருந்து Eக்கு வந்தாலும் சரி Aக்கு B, C, A, D. Everything எந்த சைட்லேருந்து வந்தாலும் that is this radius is equal in length. All the sides. So all the radius are equal in length in a circle. So it's a line, this is the diameter I said, full length from A to B. Of the 2 points A and B meeting in the O. So these 2 points AB passes through the center of the circle O. In the AB in the line வந்து center of the circle வழியா போகுது. So this is the center of the circle O. So AB, this AB is the diameter. What is this? AB is the diameter. And the line segment, suppose I am drawing here one line and here I am drawing one line. This is X, Y, this is L, M. Okay? This is not a radius, this is the diameter. Suppose this is called a line segment, a line segment. This is called line segment. I am drawing one line segment, X, Y and L, M. So these line segments lie on the circle. The line segments XY and LM is called as a chords. XY and LM is known as chords, not a radius. This is O length OA, OB, OC. Center point length meet பண்ணிட்டு வந்தா that is radius. But for the diameter XY, LM, AB, these are all the AB is the diameter and XY and LM is the line segment of the chords, two chords. And the longest chord of the circle is AB. So longest chord, center la irukku illaya, longest chord is AB. The longest chord of a circle and the longest chord the diameter nu solrom. The radius is half of the diameter. So idhila paadi da radius, in the circle in the paadi da, that is called as a radius. So diameter is the longest chord. Alla nyamachikkinga, diameter is the longest chord and radius is half of the diameter, and all the radius of the circle are equal in length. Okay. Now one small exercise we have seen. Find the diameter. We have to see the diameter of a circle. Find diameter. Diameter of a circle. So diameter கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா diameter is equal to 2 radius. எப்படி 2 radiusனா, என்ன சொன்னேன், ஒரு சர்க்கிளில் சென்டர் பாயிண்ட்னா this one diameter and this one diameter. So 2 radius. Can you understand? Diameter equal to 2 radius. Find the diameter of a circle. Suppose if you are given the 5 centimeter. Find diameter of a circle 5 centimeter means diameter na 2 radius. 2 radius irukku. Diameter la paadi paadiya, this side 1/2 and this side is another. Appo diameter equal to 2 radius. 2 radius na, that is 2 multiply r. Radius is 5 centimeter. That is equal to 2 5s are 10. 10 centimeter. Okay, this is the diameter. Suppose find the radius. Find the radius of a circle. Diameter is, they are given the diameter kudutha radius kandupidikanum, radius kudutha diameter kandupidikanum. Okay, so find the radius of a circle. Diameter is 88 centimeter. So diameter kandupidikanumna, we have to r by 2. R is radius. So evlo varudhu, sorry, radius is equal to diameter by 2. Inga diameter is 88. So 88 by 2 na, so in this 2 tables la 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. That is equal to 44 centimeter. Okay children, so diameter is 2 into radius and radius kandupidikanumna diameter by 2. Now find the diameter of the circle. Suppose if they are given the sums like this, என்ன சொன்ன, diameter equal to 2 radius. 2 radius na 2 into radius. அவங்க கொடுத்திருக்க நம்பரை 2 ஆல you have to multiply it. They are given the sum radius 10 centimeter. So if you want to find out the diameter, so d diameter na d is equal to 2r. This is 2 radius. That is d is equal to 2 into 10. That is equal to 2 tens are 20 centimeter. You have to multiply. Okay, children. Now shall I give the number? Will you practice? 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So do this sums and practice and tell the answer tomorrow. I'll ask you. Okay. Now this is to find out the radius. So radius now already radius கொடுத்துருவாங்க. So formula is diameter கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு 2r. 2r means 2 into radius னு அர்த்தம். 2 பக்கத்தில் எந்த symbol plus minus divide எதுவுமே இல்லைனா that is understood as multiplication. So 2r means 2 into radius. Radius is 10 centimeter. So 2 into 10 centimeter, that is equal to 20 centimeter. This is the homework for you. So practice at home and tell the answer. Next one is find the radius. This is the diameter. And the next one is find the radius of the circle. So in this find the radius of the circle. So in this they will give the diameter and we have to find out the radius. First term diameter, that is equal to 24 centimeter. So diameter கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா you have to write radius by 2. I'm sorry, radius diameter by d by 2 divided. So radius கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா d by 2. d is the diameter and you have to divide. So r is equal to radius தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Diameter is 24 by 2. So 24 2 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ 2 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது 2 டேபிள்ஸில் 2 12s are 24. ஸோ தட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 12 டைம்ஸ். ஸோ r is equal to 12 centimeter. Can you understand, children? Diameter is 24 centimeter. Radius கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Find the radius. Radius கண்டுபிடிக்கும்போது d by 2. d means diameter. Diameter by 2. So this diameter is 24 they had given and here 12 the 2 they had given. So 2 12s are 24. Okay, so that is equal to 12 centimeter. Now the next sum. Shall we do the next one? D diameter equal to 30 centimeter they had given. So radius is equal to 30 by, I'm sorry, radius is equal to, you write down the formula. Whenever you are doing the formula sums, you write down the formula d by 2. So r is equal to, d is the diameter, 30 by 2. So 30 by 2 means 2 tables, 2 15s are 30. So that is equal to 15 centimeter. So radius கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா 2 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணணும். diameter கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா 2 ஆல multiply பண்ணணும். நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. If you want to find out the diameter, multiply by 2. If you want to find out the radius, you divide it by 2. So in this also, I will give you the sum of the sums as homework. Will you do the homework? Will you try at home, children? So d is equal to 40 centimeter. Then second sum. Then third sum, 36, 14 centimeter. So tomorrow, next class, I'll ask you how you have finished this sums, how we have done all these sums in the, I'll ask you in the next class. Now, fill in the blanks, we'll say. Can you understand, children? Can you understand all the sums? So just try it at home and we will see the answers in the next class. Now, fill in the blanks, you just listen. Here, all the radius of the circle. What is that? You know what is the radius? All the radius of the circle are equal only. All the radius of a circle are equal. Everything will be equal in length. The dash is the longest chord of the circle. Which is the longest chord of the circle? The diameter is the longest chord of the circle. The diameter is the longest chord. Okay. Then in line segment joining any point on the circle to its center is called radius. I said the line segment in a circle. This is the line segment joining any points is called the radius of the circle. Line segment joining any points of a circle is the radius of the circle. So the line joining any points is the radius of the circle. Then a line segment with its end point on the circle. A line segment with the end points. This is the any line. This is the radius. End points full varudhu. This is the chord. The line segment with its end points on a circle is called a chord. Twice the radius is the diameter. Twice, not 2. So twice the radius. 2 times radius is the diameter. Twice means 2 times. Twice the radius is the diameter of the circle. Okay children, so you can learn these properties for formulas and do the sums and come and try to draw a circle at home. Okay, your activity is write the shapes and sides and vertices and diagonals. So what are the shapes you are given is square, rectangle, parallelogram and rhombus. Square you got 4 equal sides, 4 vertices and 2 diagonals. And rectangle, opposite sides are equal, 4 vertices and equal diagonals. And parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and 4 vertices and 2 equal diagonals. And rhombus, 4 equal sides, 4 vertices. And diagonals not equal but 2 diagonals will be there. So now what we have understood from the circle is a line segment joining any point on the circle to its center is called the radius of the circle. Next is a line segments with its end points on the circle. This is the end points on the circle and this is called the chord. A chord passing through the center of the chord is the diameter. A chord passing through the center of the circle. Inge the end line will pass on, that is called the chord. The diameter is the longest chord. Can you understood children? So you draw the shape and practice and tell me tomorrow. Thank you.